In this video, you will see how to install a Club Car Weather Max club and bag protector. Included in this kit will be a club and bag protector and 2 mounting screws. This installation requires basic hand tools to install: an 8mm socket and a number 40 Torx bit. Remove the 2 existing screws from either side of the bag hoop assembly. Align the bag protector with the canopy. Install the 2 provided screws through the lower brackets and into the bag hoop. This Weather Max club and bag protector features a secure magnetic catch and a see-through back panel.